At Swindon Quarry in Yorkshire, they extract the limestone, crush it, and process a lot of it into cement products. The older the limestone, the tougher it is, and the more resistant it is to rainwater. And the limestone quarried here is one of the oldest of all. Every year, the quarry sends out 2 million tonnes of limestone nationwide. It's extremely important in all sectors of engineering and construction. It's been used as foundations for motorways, suspension bridges, and the Channel Tunnel. Limestone, and rocks very similar to it, outcrop all over the UK, from the north of Scotland to the south of England. It's not the same sort of stuff by any means. There are different colours, textures, and degrees of hardness. Those in the industry know all about these. Here, at a quarry in Portland, in the south of England, they're after a soft variety of limestone. It's been an extremely popular construction material for almost 1,000 years. But they have to dig down 25 metres to get the quality they want.
The top 15 metres of this face is called the overburden and is useless. The next layer down is called the cap, and this is where the limestone begins, but it's very hard and brittle, so no good for buildings. The layer below is called the roach, and it's made of millions of shells, but it's actually full of holes, so only occasionally used for construction. The really important stuff is right here under me, and this is called dimension stone, and 95% of it will be used for buildings in London. And that tradition actually started a long time ago. From this old quayside, just 1 kilometre from the quarry, they shipped the limestone for one of London's most famous buildings, St. Paul's Cathedral.
Architects have always been very keen on the limestone from Portland. It's soft enough to carve into shapes like columns and statues, and it looks good. The downside is that to combat the chemical erosion from rainwater, the stone has to be constantly reworked. Some limestone buildings are in fact being renewed all the time. The budget for the 2-year facelift of the Houses of Parliament was £1.75 million. The qualities of the rock are just the same in the city as they are in its natural environment. The Houses of Parliament, therefore, are slowly dissolving away.